Ever wondered how to share your Coinbase wallet address so you can receive crypto? Let's dive in. First, open your Coinbase wallet app on your phone or tablet. Look for the blue Receive button prominently displayed on the home screen. Tap it. Now, you'll see a list of cryptocurrencies. Select the specific cryptocurrency you want to receive. For example, if you want Bitcoin, tap on Bitcoin. A screen will appear displaying your Bitcoin wallet address. You'll see a QR code that someone can scan, and right below it is your alphanumeric wallet address. This is the address you need to share to receive Bitcoin. Tap the copy icon, usually a small icon resembling two overlapping squares, to copy the address to your clipboard. Be careful. Always double-check the first few and last few characters of the address after you paste it. Paste the address into your messaging app, email, or wherever you need to share it. Make sure you're sending the correct cryptocurrency address for the crypto you're expecting. Sending to the wrong address can result in lost funds. Important security tip: never share your private key or recovery phrase with anyone. Your wallet address is safe to share for receiving crypto, but keep your private information private. And that's it. You've successfully found and shared your Coinbase wallet address. Now you can receive cryptocurrency with confidence. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for more crypto tips.